you have storage nightmares with your current tools? The modular moto wrench set replaces more than 100 different hand tools and is just 4 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and less than 2 inches thick. Users are amazed at the number and weight of the conventional tools that our modular moto wrench set replaces. Our complete set fits almost anywhere. Store this set under the seat, in a tank bag, a tail bag, a pocket, or in the glove box. We've got serious tools for every mode of travel. On the bike, on the ATV, on the water, in the home, and in the car. 16 different hand wrench and tool length options that provide duplicates for those two-sided fasteners where bolts and nuts are used. 32 different combination wrench options that provide duplicates when you need the same sizes in each hand. 19 different hand screw nut driver options, including cross points, flats, Allens, Torx or star bits, and 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch socket adapters. 19 different 90-degree drive handle tool options. 16 different heavy-duty 90-degree drive handle and tool length options. Modular pliers designed and built for grasping chain clips, cotter pins, and cutting or crimping. We'll carry individual components and replacement parts for lost items so that you can keep your modular moto wrench sets complete for years to come. Cases available in camo and colors to match most brands so that you can keep your favorite machines happy. On the bike, in the dirt, on the water, in the home, in the family car or truck.